Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to add picture in gallery view in Notion. I just created a new page and we call this how to add picture in gallery view, just for example. Then we go down and then we do slash and do gallery view like this. And then for example, we will do a task tracker, get started. It's just for an example, that's fine. And then now we go to Google and search for the picture that we want to use. Because I want to use this picture right here, and then we do right mouse click and do copy image. Then now we go back to Notion, and then if we click here and we do Ctrl V, we can paste this picture and then we can throw this picture literally where we want it. But what if you want to add this picture in your gallery view? What you can do is click here on the open, go down, click under the subtasks and everything that is necessary in this task name, and then do Ctrl V right here. So in this gallery view task, you can place this picture, make this a little bit smaller, hold it and throw it maybe besides here, so that you have your subtasks right here and then with this picture. Then we throw it back, and then what you see when we click here on open, you have your picture in your gallery view, and we have this picture in our gallery view right here, and maybe we can throw it somewhere besides here. Is that possible? No, that's not possible, but maybe here. And now we just created here a task with this picture. But this is exactly how you can add this picture in your gallery view in Notion on 3 ways. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.